The World Health Organization observes 7th of April as the World Health Day. The IMA Medical Students Network organized an awareness walk to raise awareness on autism and spread the message of inclusion. The walk started from Miramar and ended at Kampal. People were made aware of the early signs of autism and the need to get help during this event. The students of GMC presented a skit on understanding autism at the event.
We are gathered here on World Health Day to raise awareness on autism, and the message that we want to get across is that of inclusion. Children with autism are different, but we need to change our environment such that it is conducive for children with autism to grow to the fullest potential. And so we want to raise awareness about this because very little awareness about autism. The earlier they're detected, the better it is. The earlier they're detected, they can get help, and the earlier they get help, we can help these children grow and live to their full potential. The IMA Students Wing has organized an awareness program. We had a small skit on autism to just show what a family goes through when they come across a child with these kind of developmental problems, and how help can be provided to them. Again, help needs to be a team effort, and there has to be the doctor, there has to be an occupational therapist, a psychologist, a speech therapist coming together, working as a team to help this child with autism. We will also have a walk now to create awareness on autism, and also the World Health Day today is the theme is on universal health coverage. We want to tell everyone that we need to include children with autism as well. When we talk about universal health coverage and health for all, it's also for children with autism.
Gathered over here on the occasion of World Health Day to celebrate World Autism Awareness. So we'll be commencing with the walk from here to Kala Academy.
It is very important to know about autism because if the child is not given the due treatment and attention that the child needs, the full life of the child will be ruined and of the family also will be ruined. So to allow the child to have a good life and the family to have a good life, we have to spread awareness and give due importance to the child.
Okay, so in a small way you all had this, what you all had today actually?
It is an autism walk. We started at Miramar. We had like a small play, awareness, some speeches about the problem, and we started
Create awareness about autism. Autism is a developmental and a behavioral issue that many children suffer from, and because of lack of awareness, what happens is that these children get neglected and they get brought under the broad spectrum of somebody who's tagged as a mentally retarded or a mentally special child. Although their abilities are just as good as a normal child, the only problem is with communication with the outer world. So with some special training and by increasing awareness among the public, so that the parents are able to diagnose and bring their kids to attention, we're trying to improve their lives. So that's the main purpose, creating awareness for this.
Autism is a condition in which children do not fit in well with society, and they're mostly quiet and they tend to sit in one place, don't talk to anyone else. It is in India. I'm not too sure about Goa, but definitely in India. It's important to be aware about it so that the children are included in the society and they are not discriminated against. Hence, awareness is important.
6 p.m.
Find out the population is suffering so that you can carry out all the treatment and proper guidance. You should basically, when you come to a child who is suffering from it, you should go to a therapist or someone who will train you in the speech, etc. Where a child comes on par with the other children. It's very important to know about autism because I feel that these children are different from the other children. Doesn't mean that they are unacceptable. So I think it is very important for each and every person to know about these children, to know because this is not a disease. It is something which is behavioral, and I think the society should accept it.
Autism is an early disorder which has to be